Hey guys, let's talk about something that I think all of us mamas are using in this quarantine. Dry shampoo. I wanted to share with you a recipe that Young Living has on their blog that I've been using for my own hair. So, stuff you need is simple. You can get it from the grocery store, so it should be pretty easy to access. You need a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, any brand will do. A tablespoon of baking soda. And then you can add some awesome hair-loving oils to it, like a drop of tea tree, 2 drops of cedar wood, and if you'd like, 2 drops of rosemary, which I don't have here with me. And then if you have dark hair like me, you can also add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. But that's totally up to you. However, it does make your hair smell pretty good. So you take all those, mix the dry ingredients together, add the oils to it, and mix them in. I put them in an old onion powder container. I washed it out really well before I put that in there. My hair does not smell like onions when I use it. Instead, it smells like cocoa, so that's cool. But I take that, dump it out into the cap a little bit, use a brush like this to apply it to my roots, let it sit for a few minutes, and then brush it through my hair. Super simple and great for those of us who are busy despite being home. I hope that's helpful, and we'll see you guys next week.